once Mom is skiing.
She's doing it. Let's see.
You okay, Laura? Yeah?
You getting it? You getting better?
Yeah.
Feeling better?
A lot better now.
All right.
Oi, filha. What's up?
See this wall?
Yeah?
See that?
Yeah?
That's me and that's a wall. And over here are the slopes. And this is our room. And I stay in the room while you guys ski down.
Oh, lindinha. Look, Lala, did you see what Mama just did? I went all the way that way and all the way back.
You
and
wanna watch
all
me?
the way.
Yeah, dude.
Now record the William.
Go down and stop right at top of that ridge right there.
Dad, I want you to go ahead of me.
Okay, I'm gonna have to take Laura then.
Okay.